Hi YouTubers, JDCap26 here for just do repair and tips. And we're going to see if we can fix this shower wand. So we're going to be taking it down. I won't show that part, but stay tuned. You can see here it's pretty dirty, and we're going to clean that up. And when we relieve the pressure in the back with the water came out in here, it seemed to be work a little bit better. And we're going to lubricate it a little bit. We're using a little bit of bleach and a scrub pad. Just clean that up. I'm just going to give it a little shot of silicone in there. That's silicone spray. The WD-40. Okay, and you're going to work this cylinder around. So we got the water on. Let's see how it turns. Let's see how it turns. Yeah, it turns a lot better. So that's my tip for today. You can see this. Just clean it out, clean it up. A little silicone spray in the head, around here even. Let it soak in, wipe it down. And you'll be all set. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Rate and subscribe.